Brain fog, lack of focus, and memory issues affect millions of people, often without them realizing the impact. Over time, cognitive decline can lead to reduced productivity, mental fatigue, and even long term neurological concerns. Let's talk about IQ Blast Pro, a natural supplement designed to enhance focus, memory, and mental clarity. It contains powerful ingredients like ginkgo biloba, known for improving blood circulation to the brain, Bacopa monnieri, which supports memory retention, and phosphatidylserine, essential for brain cell function. These ingredients work together to boost cognitive performance, protect neurons, and promote long-term brain health. What's great is that IQ Blast Pro is made with research-backed ingredients, and you can check the full list on their official site. IQ Blast Pro includes components that have been traditionally used to support mental clarity, concentration, and overall cognitive function. So, what do you think? Have you tried IQ Blast Pro, or do you have questions about brain boosting supplements in general? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more honest, in depth reviews like this one.